Welcome to Forward Steps blogs. This section contains questions and answers from the Kerala Service Rules of the Department test conducted by the Kerala Public Service Commission. We hope you find it useful. Best of luck. Paternity leave can be availed. Answer B. Before 10 days or within 90 days from the date of delivery. The legal heirs for family pension are dealt in. Answer A. Rule 90 Part 3 KSR. For enforced halt-DA is admissible for the second day of halt. Answer A. 3/4. Maximum number of stagnation increment admissible for an LDC. Answer D. 5. In the case of full additional charge, charge allowance is granted at the rate of. Answer B. 4% of the minimum of scale of pay of the post in which additional charge is performed. The minimum service required for DCRG is. Answer C. 5 years. The maximum stagnation increment admissible for part-time contingent employees are. Answer C. 3. An officer working in Vikas Bhavan Thiruvananthapuram had to halt at Pattam, Thiruvananthapuram for 11 hours in connection with the performance of his official duties. The rate of DA admissible to him is. Answer D. No DA. The maximum time period an officer is allowed to continue on deputation is. Answer A. 5 years at a stretch. DCRG can be allowed for a maximum service period of. Answer A. 33 years. Advance increment can be sanctioned. Answer D. Only by the government. In case of request transfer. Answer B. No preparation time is allowed, only journey time is allowed. Daily allowance is calculated on the basis of. Answer C. Actual basic pay an officer is drawing. Which among the following is an ordinary leave? Answer D. None of the above. Commuted leave can be availed only on. Answer A. Completion of 3 years of regular service. Maximum leave not due that can be availed in a single spell is. Answer D. 90 days. In case of voluntary retirement, maximum service weightage applicable is. Answer C. 5 years. In case of obligatory department test, maximum occasion TE eligible is limited to. Answer C. To occasion. KSR Part 1 Appendix 12C deals with. Answer A. LWA for joining spouse. Which among the following service count for superannuation pension? Answer D. None of the above. An LTC working in Revenue Department had applied for 7 days committed leave. The superior officer had changed the nature of leave and granted earned leave, citing no valid reason. Comment on this. Answer. C. The superior is wrong. A vacation department staff had performed 16 days duty out of 60 days vacation. How many earned leave can be earned? Answer. B. 8 days. What is the maximum number of earned leave that can be availed in a single spell? Answer. B. 180.